Basic gardening terms explained. Acidic soil. Any soil with a pH lower than 7 is called acidic soil. Most plants prefer slightly acidic soil. A soil, if has a pH value above 7, is called alkaline. Bolting. A plant is bolting when it starts to produce flowers and seeds prematurely instead of crop. Leafy vegetables bolt usually when the weather changes drastically or if we try to grow them in off seasons. Cultivar. Cultivar is a short form of cultivated varieties. A cultivar is not naturally occurring. It is selected and cultivated by humans for its special characteristics and qualities. Compost. Completely decayed plant or organic matter which is used as fertilizers and soil conditioner. Dormancy. The yearly cycle in which plant or trees shed their leaves and stop growing. They enter dormancy usually in winter and starts to grow again in next summer. Germination. The beginning of growth in seeds. The process of seeds sprouting, budding or shooting above the soil. This is first step of any new plant growth. Grafting. Grafting is a technique that vegetatively joins two plants into one. In grafting, we use the roots and bottom portion of one plant and attach it to a shoot or stem from another plant which we want to produce. Hardiness zone. A hardiness zone is a geographically defined area in which a specific category of plant life is capable of growing, including its ability to withstand the minimum temperatures of the zone. The zones range from 1 to 13 and is based on average annual minimum temperature of the region. For example, a plant that is described as hardy to zone 10 means that the plant can withstand minimum temperature of 30 Fahrenheit to 39 Fahrenheit. Hybrid seeds. Hybrid seed is seed produced by cross-pollinated plants. They are produced through cross-pollinating two different but related plants. Hybrids are chosen to improve the characteristics of resulting plants such as better yield, greater uniformity and disease resistance. The biggest disadvantage of hybrid seeds is that they do not reproduce true in second generation. That is, plant grown from hybrid seeds typically do not produce seeds that can be used to grow the same type of plants again. NPK ratio. Any fertilizer you buy will come with the information about its NPK ratio in the form of numbers. The NPK ratio specifies the percentage of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Every plant requires these three primary nutrients in varying ratio for good growth. Pesticide. Pesticides are substances that are meant to control pests or weeds. In general, a pesticide is an organic or chemical agent that deters, kills or otherwise discourages harmful pests in garden or farms. Pollination. Pollination is when pollen grains from an anther, the male part of a flower, are transferred to female part, that is stigma of the flower. thereby enabling fertilization to take place, which in turn allows the flower to develop fruits and seeds. Root bound plants which are kept in containers for a long time will eventually run out of space for roots to grow. When this happens, the plant becomes root bound. Root pruning or repotting are the solution for root bounded plants. Weeds. Weeds are undesirable plants. They are valueless in your garden, which consumes resource and takes place of desired plants.